guys, welcome to PZ Classes. Again, I'm coming back with you with a new video and new scenario we have. We have so many students and they have attended so many classes so far. Let's know their opinion towards the offline and the online session here. So let's have a session together here.
I think online and offline both are better, but if you choose one, so we must choose offline classes. But because offline classes is better than online, we can pay attention properly. There are no distraction, and teacher also pay attention on us. And if we have a large chance, we can't attend offline, so we can go by online. If it's exam year just tomorrow, so if you want to revise something, so you can watch a video according to your subject, and it is also a way to revise. That's why both are better, but offline is better than online.
Next.
I will prefer online classes because it's my opinion is I can take online classes anywhere and any time, and they will provide more content comparison of on offline classes. And I saw in during lockdown, and offline classes is totally closed, and online education very helped many students for gaining knowledge. And I also faced this type of problem, and
As far as my concern, I think offline classes are better than online classes, because offline classes not only keep us like mentally healthy but physical healthy also. Like for offline classes, we have to wake up early, we have to join the classes, and we can give more and more time in offline classes, but not in online. Like online classes, we can choose for our comfort zone, not for our education and all that.
In my opinion, offline class is better than online class, because if you are able to attend offline class, then you must attend offline. If you are not able, then you can attend online class. And if you attend online class, we become lazy.
I think sir, offline classes are better than, and they know how to communicate with others. And in offline classes, there are lots of distraction in offline online classes, because in your phone there are lots of क्या बोलते हैं notification are coming, and you should and they have to they distract you.
As far as I know, we can in offline classes we can learn many things. When we come here, we can learn like we can do physical activities like a public speaking, like a one-to-one, like a debate. So it is not in a online classes, because there is no one know to you, and there is a many disturbance. There is your phones, they come many notifications. So that was very bad for us. So I always prefer to offline classes.
Compared to online classes, because online classes you have to save your time, and online classes you not go there another city. You have to save your time and study your at home. So I prefer to online classes.
Offline classes are expenses but good, and online classes is cheap. Offline classes are we can clear our doubts, and we can ask any question.
Prefer offline class to online class. Both are class good, but I share my experience. So during our 12th and BSc time, so I don't have mobile, so I joined offline class. So offline class is good class. So we can ask any question. Sir, ma'ams explained any question. So we can clear our doubts easily. So that's it.
When we attend an online lecture, then whatever we do, teacher can't see whatever we are doing. That's why and we can't pay attention more as compared to we attend offline classes.
Sir, I prefer to offline classes because I never attend offline online classes. That's why I explain offline classes. They are because there are many people, so learn something. Learn something, and there are many activities like the GD, public speaking, and other places. People come here, so many, so different people. So learn everything. So there is that's why offline class is better. Offline class is better, and ask any doubt with sir and offline classes management your time and more practicing. So sorry, online क्या था? or online is not better, I think that, and I can't practice at home, so I prefer offline classes.
I think online classes are not good because sometimes students are not paying attention properly according to offline classes. In offline classes, students are paying attention properly. अगर से नहीं करते, if students are not paying attention properly, so teachers are interrupt to
They will scold you.
scold you
If you
at
are
that
not
time.
paying attention that time, they will scold you there.
Yes.
Okay, you want to say that?
Yes.
Okay. Bus.
Many people are doing job, so so can't come here on offline classes. So you purchase your online classes, and then after you are attending your video and lecture. But offline classes you not give the time, and online classes you recorded classes and you're watching videos, and you some doubts he comment your sir and discuss your sir and discuss sir he reply your answer. So online classes best.
Guys, that was the session about that. They have this spoken. They have just given their personal perspective aspect about that. It was their personal ideas. And what do you think about that? Let us know in the comment box. If you like the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Patil English Zone. Again, we'll meet the next video.